Right, so for number 28, you're looking at your delta G equation, where delta G equals delta H minus T delta S. So under standard conditions, this reaction is non-spontaneous, meaning that delta G has to be positive under standard conditions because spontaneous delta G would be negative. So we know we can first cancel out B because delta G is not going to equal 0. Um, if you know that it becomes spontaneous at lower temperatures, that's going to help you determine what signs delta H and delta S are going to be. So we know this is going to be positive. If you think about, let's say, for example, delta H being negative. Um, so if delta H is negative, whatever value that negative number is, you're subtracting another value. So if your sign of delta S now say is negative, subtracting a negative would be adding, right? Minus negative is just adding a certain number. Um, so if you had a negative value plus a number, any number, um, in order to still remain negative, right? Because that's what delta G would be, then delta or T has to be low enough. So you want to only be able to add a low enough temperature, or a low enough value.